Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine at your home and you all are doing your level hard. So, students, today I will teach you and you will learn how to write creative writing. Okay, so now you first tell me what is creative writing. So, creative writing means you have to write something that belongs to your creativity. Creativity means that belongs to your hidden qualities. That qualities are based on your feelings, your thoughts, and your experiences. So, through creative writing, you have to organize these hidden qualities in writing, that is called creative writing. Clear? So, students, today I will teach you how to write diary entry and diary writing. Okay, so now students, I always told you whenever you are going to start something new topic, so first you have to elaborate and explain the title of the topic. So here the title is diary writing. So now you tell me what is the literal meaning of these two words. Diary, writing. Diary means a notebook, writing means to write. Means you have to write in your notebook, that is called diary writing. Okay, so now through this video you will learn what is diary writing, why it is important, what is the format, and why it is necessary to write in creative writing. Okay, so now first is, what is diary? What is diary? So a diary is where you keep personal musing about your life. Your diary is safe place where you can be honest and candid about your thoughts, feelings and opinions. In diary, the people in it and the things you care about generally we mention. Means basically, diary is a personal kind of notebook where you put your personal things. Okay, so this is called diary. So what is the meaning of musing? Musing means deep thought and thinking. Personal diary means you have to write whatsoever you feel, whatsoever you are going through in your life, you have to write down and be honest, because diary is your friend. Okay, now what is diary writing or entry? So it is a section of writing that has been organized by date. Date is very much important in diary writing. Okay, it is a personal form of writing. I told you in my starting of the video, it is a personal kind of note. The entries within you diary are how you organize the thoughts, feelings and opinions you are pouring into it. Pouring means stream, flow. You have to organize your thoughts in a flow. Whatsoever came in your mind, you just write down. You just write down. Don't think it is right, it is wrong. Whatsoever you feel, you just put it down in your diary. Okay? Now, for whom I am writing my diary entry? For myself. Because diary is my personal document and I am writing my diary for myself. Okay? Why do I write them? To understand myself better, to help myself become a better person, to keep a record of things that happens in my life. Listen students, diary is your future friend. Diary is your future friend. Whatsoever you are feeling, is it right or wrong? Don't think over it. Just write it down. That will help you to make yourself better person. So that is the reason of diary writing. Okay, always remember, diary is your future friend. Okay, now language feature for diary writing. This is very important. You first listen to me. Written in first person means I am writing my diary, so I is the first person. Written in past tense, everything we had done in that day we have to write in present time. So whatsoever we are writing, that already happened. Okay, use of note form. I told you diary writing is a kind of note form. Use of powerful verbs, adjectives and adverbs, because we are putting our feelings, our thoughts, our experiences. So these three qualities depends upon the verb, adjective and adverbs, and we have to put verb, adjectives and adverb. Okay? Use of informal and everyday language. Means we have to put just like we are using the language just like with our friend, because diary is a kind of our friend. Frequent use of exclamation mark. Exclamation marks means you are just putting your feelings. Okay. Use of chatty aside means as usual. As usual is a chatty aside. Fine. Now, what is the important points what you have to focus while you are writing a diary? Write day, date, time and year, like Monday morning. In the place of morning you can write 8 p.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. like this. 25th May 2020 means you have to put the date. Now the second is use first person to bring a document feelings, because I am writing my diary, so I is a first person, like I could not have hoped for better than that. Third, maintain a sense of closeness by using informal conversation style. You can use a style like a conversation, means you are talking to your diary and you are just putting your thoughts in the term of conversation. Now address the diary as a person. Yeah, I told you the third point mentioned in the fourth. Address the diary as a person. Okay, like your friend. Fifth is use expression of feelings to be honest to oneself. Whatsoever you are writing, make sure that feelings are innocent and truth. Okay, trustworthy feelings. Okay, like, oh, I was sad that I could not do anything for her. Don't think you had done a bad job. Just write it down, because in future you will recognize these things and you will enhance your personality. That's why diary writing is important. Now the last line is detailed writing to recreate the situation in future, like we will be writing soon. Okay. Now what is the format? So students, you must focus that whenever you are going to start your diary writing, you have to start from left hand side. Don't write anything from right. Everything you have to put from left hand side. Okay. So in the starting you put the day, comma, date, and students, you always remember you can put the day and the second line you can put the date. Okay. Day, date, then time, then you just leave one line and then write the opening salutation like dear diary, and then leave one line and then start the body part. So the body part having 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is opening paragraph, where you have to put a suitable descriptive topic that the entry you are putting on. Now the second paragraph, a paragraph which includes a series of events in time order. Okay, means whatsoever the events had done in your life that day, you have to put it down in the second paragraph. Okay. Now the third is a conclusion which includes a comment about how you felt about your experiences and why. Means you have to put your personal comment regarding that day. Okay. Now the last you must write, will be writing soon again, because it is a continuous form of writing. And then after, in the second line, you just write your name and put down your signature. Okay. Now here I am giving you an example. Write a diary entry expressing your feelings when you met your childhood friend. So first you have to write the day. So just imagine the day is Monday. The date is 25th May 2020, and you can also write May 25th 2020. Time 8:30 p.m. Dear diary, salutation. Then after you start your paragraph. Today I am extremely happy. I meet an old friend of mine, Sumi. It was surprising as well as pleasant. How unexpected it was. I was standing at the counter of a shop dealing in the ready-made garment. Some other customers were also standing there. One of them was continuously looking at me. She walked up to me and gave me a broad smile. "Excuse me," she said. "Are you Miss Ria?" From the way she smiled, I once recollected that she was my childhood friend. Sumi, many years ago, her father had migrated to London with family. Sumi had now so grown into a beautiful lady. That was why I could not recognize her at first sight. Oh yes, and the next moment we were in each other's embrace. What a joy it was to meet an old friend of mine. We'll be writing soon again, Ria. So in this manner you have to write your diary entry. Okay? Now conclusion. Why it is important to improve your creativity and thinking. The next, use simple words to bring your diary life. Don't use critical word. You just use simple words that you are using in your daily life. Okay? Memorize your thoughts, feelings and events in diary. Why? Because of your future. Because diary is your future friend. Now the last is bring your creativity for life. Okay? So this is all about the diary writing. What you have to do, students, just learn each point of this video and just try to enhance yourself. Okay, in my next video I will give you some more questions regarding diary entry, and I will also give you 2 questions that you have to do from your own. Okay, so student, thank you for today.